Welcome back to the channel. This was a very fun jump rope session in the pouring rain. When I was a kid, I wouldn't let rain stop me from being physically active outside. I remember playing all kinds of sports in pouring rain, in conditions where the rain was absolutely bucketing down. As kids, it was somewhat liberating or just fun to be outside in the rain. But as adults, if it's raining, we can sometimes let that take away from our willingness or motivation to want to be outside. So on this particular day, I looked outside, I kind of almost welcomed the rain, and it was fantastic to be outside in the rain, getting a great workout in, using cross ropes, quarter-pound rope, and instead of using cross ropes jump rope mat, here and in a lot of my recent videos, I've just been using a simple doormat. And the reason being is because jumping rope on this mat is a lot quieter than saying using rubber or plastic style mat. And I'm just kind of aware that a lot of my neighbors are home at the time when I'm jumping rope. So I just don't want to really make too much noise. I don't want to disturb them. In the near future, I hope to be jumping rope at different locations like I used to often do. I used to find locations that were quite secluded where there was no one around, so I could jump rope without having to be concerned if I was making too much noise, especially, if you're doing things like lots of double unders, triple unders, and stuff like that. So anyhow, this was a jump rope double under ladder workout where I was doing 10 double unders in a row, but not initially. So I did one double under before going into a little bit of boxer skip recovery skipping, and then I did 2 double unders. Back to the boxer skip for a few seconds, and then I added another double under, so I did 3, and so on and so forth, to the point where I was doing 10 double unders, and then once I got to 10, I worked my way back down the ladder. Did 9 double unders, 8 double unders, 7 double unders, and so on and so forth, all the way down to 1. So although this may look relatively easy, it's quite challenging. So if you haven't tried something like this and you're trying to increase the number of double unders you can do, this is a great little workout. Let's say you don't have to do 10. You could maybe have 5 as the top of your double under ladder. And then once you get to 5, work your way down to 1 again. Or you could simply go up the ladder, 1 rep, 2 reps, 3 reps, 4 reps, 5 reps, and call it a set. Or you could even work your way down the ladder instead of going up. Just start at 5 reps, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're able to do a lot of double unders, maybe you could even try doing a double under ladder with 20. I think you'll find that quite challenging, quite tiring. So double under ladders, a fantastic workout.